Hello everyone, taking you on a short trip today. This is just a preview of what's to come for dinner this evening. I'm going to go here and I'm going to pick up, hopefully they still have this ingredient. I'm not going to give it away, but hopefully they have it. I need to pick up a couple other things that are going to go along with it. But all I'll say, it's going to be a healthy and delicious snack with flavors that are not from North America or not from the Caribbean. I would say they're from the Mediterranean, and Walmart used to have this. I hope they still do, so fingers crossed. And so on the video, I will upload that video tomorrow. I'll have the same shirt on it, so don't think it's 2 days and I'm wearing the same clothes, because it's not like a Hollywood studio and I'm going to go in there. Maybe I should treat it that way. Let me know in the comments. But on the way back from Walmart, I'm going to stop at a place to do a food review for fish and chips. Stay tuned, because that will be up later on tonight. Thanks, and let's go for a ride. Okay folks, coming up on the right here is where we're going to be stopping for lunch on the way home. So you'll have a hint. This is the video that you will see later on this evening. A review of fish and chips at the Waverly Legion. Yeah, that car cut me off, like in an 80 kilometer an hour zone, which is 50 miles an hour US. It's a nice scenic view out here in Waverly. You can see why we had all the floods, because of the lakes and the water level. Like a lot of the roads out here run along the lakes. All of this, parts of this were underwater, this road, from that lake overflowing from the foot of rain that we had about 3 weeks ago. All of this area was underwater, for sure. Here we are folks, we're approaching the turnoff to the Damascus Court area in Bedford, the little park here where Walmart is. And by the way, truck driver in front of me, thanks for not having a license plate so I don't have to blur the image. And we're pulling into Walmart folks. Here we are, short drive. Well folks, just back out of Walmart. I will say that it was a fail for the one key ingredient I needed, but I think I might have a backup plan, so stay tuned. Okay folks, I thought of a backup plan on my way to the food review that I'm going to be doing now, which is the Waverly Legion. And I am going to find that ingredient come hell or high water. So stay tuned. There will be a video tomorrow of this delicious adapted recipe that I have to make it very quick and with nice, juicy, tender chicken that is so flavorful. It's going to be in a wrap, and I'll just leave it at that. It will be good, and I hope you like it, so stay tuned. I will find that ingredient come hell or high water. Jamie, signing off.